If you are a tither in the house, please can you rise up and move forward? If you are a tither in the house, it's time for offering and tithe. If you are a tither, you come move forward. If you want to pay into the church account, 2033192044 Jesus Liberation and Restoration Ministry. If you want to pay into church account your tithe and offering, so you can rise up with your offering and pray over it. Whatever that you want God to do for you this week, minister into that offering and tell God to do it for you. Pray over that offering. Everybody stand up for your offering. Father Lord, we thank you for this offering. You are
greater than Jehovah,
Lord, that don't have money to give, but Lord,
there is no one greater than
we are giving, they shall have money to give
oh,
in the name of
He is
Jesus.
greater than Jehovah, Lord divine. There is no one greater than Jehovah. Oh, excellent Jehovah, marvelous Jehovah. There is no one greater than Jehovah, Lord divine. Excellent Jehovah, marvelous Jehovah. There is no one greater than Jehovah, Lord divine. Who is greater than Jehovah, Lord divine? There is no one greater than Jehovah.